Hey there, animation fans! Today I'm taking you on an incredible journey through the life of Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, and how he became rich. Buckle up, because this story is as electrifying as a Tesla on ludicrous mode. Our story begins in Pretoria, South Africa, where young Elon Musk was born in 1971. Even as a kid, Elon was a dreamer and a doer. At just 12 years old, he created and sold a video game called Blaster. Impressive, right? That was just the beginning. Fast forward to the mid-90s. Elon moved to the US and co-founded Zip2, a city guide software for newspapers, with his brother. It wasn't long before Compaq acquired Zip2 for a whopping $307 million. Elon's share, a cool $22 million. Not bad for his first big venture. But Elon didn't stop there. He took $10 million of that money and founded X.com, an online payment company. X.com later became PayPal, and in 2002, eBay bought it for $1.5 billion in stock. Elon walked away with $165 million. Cha-ching! Now, here's where things get really interesting. With enough money to retire comfortably, Elon decided to pursue his ambitious dreams. Enter SpaceX. Founded in 2002, SpaceX aimed to revolutionize space travel. Despite numerous setbacks, SpaceX became the first privately funded company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station. And then came Tesla. In 2004, Elon invested in Tesla Motors and became its chairman. Tesla's mission? To accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Even though the company faced bankruptcy several times, Elon's relentless drive kept it afloat. Today, Tesla is worth over $800 billion. And those stock options? They've made Elon one of the richest people in the world. But Elon's story isn't just about making money. It's about transforming industries and tackling global challenges. From electric cars and solar energy to space travel and artificial intelligence, Elon Musk has proven that with vision and persistence you can change the world. So what's the moral of this animated journey? Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Just like Elon Musk, you too can achieve incredible things. Thanks for joining me on this electrifying ride. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing stories. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep doing. See ya!